Daddy. Daddy is an informal or intimate name for fathers, used especially by children or when talking to children. Daddy. His daddy read him a bedtime story. Daddy. Mommy. Mommy is an informal or intimate name for mothers, used especially by children or when talking to children. Mommy. She helped her mommy set the table for dinner. Mommy. Grandparent. A grandparent is someone who is our mom or dad's parent. Grandparent. His grandparents always spoil him with gifts on his birthday. Grandparent. Grandpa. Your grandpa is the father of either your mother or father. Grandpa. My friend helps her grandpa with his garden during the summers. Grandpa. Grandma. Your grandma is the mother of your mother or father. Grandma. She gave her grandma a big hug when she visited. Grandma. Granddaughter. A granddaughter is the daughter of our son or daughter. Granddaughter. His granddaughter comes to visit him every Sunday. Granddaughter. Grandson. A grandson is the son of our son or daughter. Grandson. His grandson made him a handmade birthday card. Grandson. Neighbor. A neighbor is someone who is living next to us or someone very close to us. Neighbor. My neighbor helped me move my furniture. Neighbor. Surname. The surname is the name we share with our parents that follows our name. Surname. In many cultures, children traditionally take their father's surname. Surname. To marry. To marry is to become someone's husband or wife. To marry. She's so happy to marry the love of her life. To marry. To break up. To break up is to end a relationship, typically a romantic one. To break up. They decided to break up after 2 years of dating. To break up. Wedding. A wedding is the event of a marriage ceremony. Wedding. The bride looks stunning in her beautiful gown at her wedding. Wedding.